Meditation lingo. What is a canoe? A canoe is a sound that is used to bring someone into a more trance-like state. Examples of this would be a drum, a soft piano, chanting, the crackling of a fire. And canoes can also be used to bring someone back from that trance-like state. So at the end of a meditation, someone might play the drum beat more sporadically or ring some bells to bring you back into the present state from your meditation. Canoe, now you know.